Hello everyone, I'm Avnesh Singh and I'm training at SHA Infotech. I have been here for quite some time and yes, I can review about it. I completed my graduation back some time and then started looking for job like everyone else. I couldn't get any because there isn't any job that has growth and scope for freshers who have no knowledge about one particular subject. So the thing that was lacking to get a job was proper training about one particular language. And since I'm from IT background, like I have been studying computer science for quite some time, so I wanted to get into an IT industry. I consulted some of my friends, seniors and teachers, and what they suggested me is Oracle technology. I googled it and I came across SHA Infotech. I called them up and spoke to them about I wanted to get a job, and prior to that I wanted to have some training about Oracle database administration, and they were quite convincing. So I came up to them physically and met them, and yes, I joined SHA Infotech back sometime. And the best part was that while counseling, whatever they spoke, they really meant it. They said about live exposure, and I also thought that how is it even possible that you get to work on, you get your hands on a live server. And that was possible because the faculty, the consultants have been working in industry for 15 to 20 years, and they know how the system is, how the database, the server is configured, and they created the exactly same replica here. They gave us the environment to work on. So it was a great help to get into a job, because see, when you have some experience, you won't hesitate. Like in the interviews, we have here dummy sessions, dummy interviews every week. We have to give presentation on topics we have studied, and there's a very productive Q&A sessions. The dummy interview really helps everyone out. Like the most difficult part to get into job is facing the interview, and if you are a fresher, then it's really difficult. And when that nervousness, that in the dummy sessions, you have already faced someone asking questions, and it's like a very tense moment. So you have faced that nervousness prior to your actual interview. While the actual interview happens, the real-time interview happens, you won't be nervous anymore. And that is one of the best things to get into a job that you get here at SHA Infotech. You have been working on live servers. You have been training with the experts who are doing their job, daily job of database administrator or whatever it is, be it data scientist or database Oracle technology. They have been doing their jobs, and you're sitting with them. If you're into IT industry and you want to get a good job, please visit SHA Infotech. Thank you everyone. Best of luck.
Hi, myself Polumi, and I would like to thank SHA Infotech for bringing my shaky career on track. After graduation, I was also confused what to do next. After struggling for 5 to 6 months, my friend introduced me to SHA Infotech, from where I have learned Oracle technologies. Frankly speaking, starting from the course structure to the faculties, everything is just commendable. All the faculties are highly industry experienced, and they teach us with great effort. And in case of any doubt, they clear all the doubts, and if required, they provide us with 1:1 session. And the course structure is highly industry oriented and covered with hands-on experiences, and which helped me in learning the technologies in a much better way. I would like to thank all the faculties for guiding me throughout the journey and establishing me as an Oracle DBA. I would highly recommend you to join SHA Infotech if you like to make your career in Oracle technologies. In short, it is just not an institution, it is the place from where you can start making your career. Thank you.